Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can also apply a pattern as a fill to a layer or a selection. As mentioned earlier in this chapter, you can apply a pattern when you select Edit, Fill Selection from the menu bar. Earlier, you looked at applying a fill color using this method. Now you will look at the same method to apply a pattern. First, make the selection you want to fill with a pattern. Then select Edit, Fill Selection from the menu bar to open the Fill Layers dialog box. Select Pattern from the Use dropdown. Below the Use dropdown, you'll see the currently selected pattern appear in the Custom Pattern dropdown. Select the pattern you want to apply by clicking the drop-down arrow to select a preset pattern from the drop-down list. You can click the Patterns drop-down within this menu to select other pattern sets from the list if desired. To the right of the Patterns drop-down within the menu, you can click the Options button to reset the loaded patterns, save patterns, and load new patterns, just like you did with brushes. After selecting a pattern, select a blending mode from the Mode drop-down, and then use the opacity field to set the percentage of opacity for the fill pattern. If filling a layer that has transparent pixels and you do not want to fill the transparent pixels, then check the Preserve Transparency checkbox. If filling a layer without transparent pixels or a selection, this checkbox will be unavailable. To apply the selected fill pattern when you're ready, click the OK button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.